Hey everybody, I'm Lonnie Quinn. Well, the weather story as of right now is about the fog that's out there. And you're dealing with this until the wee hours of the early morning. Some low visibility for folks, less than a mile in plenty of spots. Could be less than a quarter of a mile in some spots, so take it slow. Especially the Palisades, they've been reporting some tough conditions there. It's all going to clear by the morning because the winds will kick in. You can't have fog and wind in the same picture. They do not exist. The fog is going to get blown away by the winds. That's what you should be expecting. It's also the possibility for a rare January rumble of thunder tonight, late night after midnight. And then the coldest stretch of air so far this season. We'll get here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I don't think you're getting above 32 degrees during that span. Sunday snow, still a possibility. Certainly going to be cold enough. Will the systems come together to give us a big system or not? Well, we'll watch everything. Taking a look at the chance for thunderstorms out there tonight. Here it is, making its push through sort of central western Pennsylvania. Moving in our direction. I think it will weaken a bit, but you could still see a thunderstorm as it rolls through. Could hear some thunder out there. You don't often hear that in January. That line moves through. Winds kick in. Watch this. Winds aren't doing too much as of right now, but by 4 o'clock in the morning, basically they're above 30 miles per hour for everybody out there. I know you see a 29 for Montauk, but they're blowing above 30 miles per hour throughout the day. And here you are all day Wednesday, all day Thursday. Notice those numbers really aren't budging too much. You're basically looking at a 48-hour period where you could see a gust of 30 to 40 miles per hour at any point in time. All right, it's not a full 48 hours period of winds blowing consistently, but a chance for a gust at any point in time over the next 2 days. So you're 43 tomorrow. Those gusty winds will make it feel like the 30s, maybe even the 20s out there, and then colder still by the time you get to Thursday morning. Thursday morning, it feels like the teens for everybody. It feels like 10 for Andover. Then you get to Friday morning, it feels like the single digits. Okay, this is the coldest feel we would have had out there for some folks, feeling like 3 below zero in Goshen, 1 below zero in Andover, and the chance for some moisture to sort of like steamroll into that cold air for the weekend is still a possibility. We're watching this low pressure system way out. It hasn't even gotten to the U.S. yet, still offshore of the Pacific Northwest. This will come into the area, okay? Question is it going to be combined with some Gulf Coast moisture? Well, the European thinks it's going to be primarily south of us. This is as far north as they take it. The GFS model, also a great performer last year, pushes it further to the north, but the center is still south of us. So those two scenarios say smaller rather than larger numbers. All right, this time this year versus last year, we currently have 6.4 inches that we've picked up so far this season. Last year we had 17.5. We're behind that. I'm sure not a lot of folks are concerned about that or worried about that, but a chance again, Saturday night going into Sunday to get some snow out there. Just know the air is going to be getting cold out there and staying cold. That time period, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you don't get above freezing. And if so, I have a 33 as the warm spot of your weekend on Saturday. Keep it right here, everybody. We're watching us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.